Microsoft had a tradition of including Easter eggs up to 2001. They stopped as a part of the Trustworthy Computer Initiative. Today, however, we'll be taking a look at some Windows bugs and or Easter eggs. Next time, we'll take a look at some from Office. This is probably one of the more common Windows bugs. The bug goes as follows. You are unable to create a folder or a file name regardless of the extension if it's called con. We're going to be using Windows XP in this case. If you attempt to create a folder of said name, the name will be rejected and the name will revert to the default new folder string. By using Notepad here, we'll attempt to create a folder called con.txt. As you can see, it is impossible to create that one either. Way back in the old DOS days, some folder names and file names had to be reserved for certain devices. Since Windows was a shell on top of DOS in the older versions, those names couldn't be named as folders or any file names. If a user was to somehow name a file or folder con, LTP, or com1, which are just a few examples of reserved names, it is reported that BSODs or similar errors may occur when attempting to access devices or ports specified with the names even in Windows today. Well, sort of. You can name a folder by pressing Alt and typing 0160 on the numeric keypad, which should create a space, and then you can type con, LTP1, or com1 for example. However, this does not create a folder itself, but a folder with a space in front of it. Creating a folder named con, for example, is possible and done as any other folder creation on OS X or in various Linux distributions. We'll do some simple math now. What is the square root of 4? It's 2, right? And if you subtract 2 from 2, you get a 0. That's right. Now let's try doing that in Windows XP and Windows 8 and let's see what we get. From what I understand, there is no explanation why this is in Windows. It could be a bug, an Easter egg, or just a weird implementation of operations, or an interpretation of operations in Windows. If you're using any other operating system, be sure to drop a comment letting me know what you get. This bug doesn't work on Windows Vista 7 or 8, but if you're still in Windows XP, give it a shot. Type the following sentence in Notepad. Bush hid the facts. Close and save it, and then open it up again. Weird, right? Try this if you have Windows XP. Open Solitaire and press the following keys. Alt, Shift, and 2. The next time you click on something within a game, it should automatically make you win. That's about it for this week's episode. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.